The Aam Aadmi Party confirmed that it would contest the assembly elections solo without any alliance. Delhi Minister Gopal Rai said that the alliance with Congress was for the Lok Sabha election and there would not be an alliance in the Delhi Assembly polls. The party will face assembly elections early in 2025. The decision came with the conclusion of a meeting held with the Aam Aadmi Party Delhi MLAs at the Chief Minister's residence in the national capital. During the meeting, the AAP legislators were asked to resume development work in their respective constituencies. Meanwhile, BJP has slammed the Aam Aadmi Party and Congress over this decision and said that this is the only way a friendship of selfishness will last. Listen in.
आम आदमी पार्टी के कार्यकर्ताओं ने, आम आदमी पार्टी के काउंसलर्स ने, आम आदमी पार्टी के विधायकों ने जिस तरह से सड़क पे लड़ाई लड़ी और चुनाव में जिस मुस्तैदी के साथ लड़ाई लड़ी है, पार्टी ने इस बात को पॉजिटिव लिया है कि इन विपरीत परिस्थितियों में हमने चट्टानी एकता के साथ, हौसले और हिम्मत के साथ इनके धनबल का, इनके 400 पार के नारे का, इनके पैसे का हमने हर तरह से मुकाबला किया और भारतीय जनता पार्टी को कड़ी टक्कर दी है। जब पिछले लोकसभा चुनाव से हमने ज़्यादा मजबूती के साथ इस चुनाव को लड़ा है, तो पार्टी ने इसको सकारात्मक रूप से रेखांकित किया है और मैं सभी दिल्ली के कार्यकर्ताओं का, सभी पदाधिकारियों को बधाई भी देना चाहता हूं पार्टी की तरफ से ऑफिशियली कि उन्होंने जो हौसला दिखाया है, हौसला हमें जारी रखना है। दिल्ली हम कल जीते थे और फिर
इंडिया अलायंस गोपाल राय ने कहा है, जब दिल्ली में उनकी 7 में से 0 सीट्स आई है इंडिया अलायंस की, कि अब इंडिया अलायंस नहीं रहेगा। मतलब विधानसभा चुनाव में दिल्ली में कोई गठबंधन नहीं होगा कांग्रेस और आम आदमी पार्टी के बीच। वैसे भी ये मतलब का ही गठबंधन था। दिल्ली में दोस्ती कर रहे थे, पंजाब में कुश्ती कर रहे थे और चंडीगढ़ में मस्ती कर रहे थे। इट वॉज अ फ्रेंडशिप विद बेनिफिट्स, और फ्रेंडशिप विद बेनिफिट्स का मतलब ये है कि जैसे ही बेनिफिट खत्म तो फ्रेंडशिप खत्म। और इसीलिए अब ये जो कुछ दिनों पहले निकाह फरमाया था, 3 तलाक में तब्दील हो गया। अब देखिए, कांग्रेस पार्टी फिर से, जैसे पंजाब में आम आदमी पार्टी को भ्रष्टाचारी कहती है कि ये उग्रवादियों के साथ है। अब दिल्ली में भी जो एक दूसरे के तारीफों के पुल बांध रहे थे, वो एक दूसरे को गालियां देंगे। यही इंडिया अलायंस का चरित्र है।
All right, Arzu, my colleague, is joining us on the broadcast to give us more details about this. Arzu, Gopal Rai has confirmed that when it comes to Delhi Assembly elections, there is not going to be an alliance. This also is perhaps very indicative, and BJP and Shehzad Poonawalla are right. This does not, in fact, behoove well for the India Alliance, who are looking, to give some sort of a competition to the NDA.
Well, yes, Vineet, Bharatiya Janata Party leader Shehzad Poonawalla strongly criticized the Congress and the AAP alliance as a friendship of selflessness. Also, Poonawalla comment came in response to the Delhi government minister and the AAP leader Gopal Rai announced that there would be no alliance between the two parties in the upcoming Delhi Assembly elections. The Poonawalla also stated this friendship as the friendship with benefit as the Lok Sabha is over now, and they're saying that, Gopal Rai stated that on Thursday that the AAP would contest the Delhi election independently without any alliance with the Congress. He emphasized that the alliance between the two parties was only for the Lok Sabha post and would not extend to the state elections. Poonawalla criticized Rai's statement, highlighting the failure of the India bloc, which had failed to secure any of the 7 seats in Delhi. Remember, in the Lok Sabha elections in Delhi, the Bharatiya Janata Party won all the 7 seats here in the national capital, and that's why now it is being said by the Bharatiya Janata Party that this is the failure of the alliance in the national capital, and that's why they are not extending each other. Yes.
All right. Mr. Raman Malik, BJP leader, also joins us on the broadcast. Mr. Malik, a very good morning to you. I hope you can hear me.
Yes, sure.
Mr. Malik, this again shows the, volatile nature of the India Alliance. They are together when it comes to taking on the Prime Minister, but they want to go their own selfish routes when it comes to the assembly elections in Delhi.
You saw that in Delhi also, the Lok Sabha poll. You saw it in Punjab Lok Sabha poll. They were taking on themselves. There is nothing new. See, India Alliance was basically a selfish association of goons who wanted to secure something. The people have got, a taste of what they wanted. Like you see, the Congress offices being stormed by ladies with the forms of khatakat payment not being offered. Or for that matter, If you see at the Punjab elections, the Lok Sabha, the kind of statements being given, I have a very simple statement, sir, that people look at short-term benefits, but they are forgetting that their character, the people, involved in India Alliance, their character is not for nation building. Their character is for self-sustenance only. They are so selfish. They will never be saying my nation first. So, yes, that is the truth, and that is what we have to live with.
All right. Mr. Malik, thank you for joining us.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.